Hi everyone, how are you doing today? In this video, we're going to be learning to calculate perimeter of a shape using a formula. We already know what perimeter is. If you do not know, check my previous videos on this. We already know what perimeter is. We already know how to find perimeter on a square grid. We also know how to find perimeter of rectilinear shapes. Today we're going to simply learn a formula that could make our work much easier when we are finding the perimeter of a shape. Come on, let's go find out what that formula is. So here is a rectangle. Um, on one part we have 8 centimeter, on the other part we have 3 centimeter. Now, this part, is it the length or the width? Hooray! If you said the length, you are correct. It means you have been paying attention to all my previous lessons. And what about this side? That is the width. Well done. So the width is the shortest side, while the length is the longest side of a shape. Okay, now previously we learned that to find the perimeter of a rectilinear shape like this rectangular shape is to add up all the sides. Now, if this side is 8 centimeter, it also means that this side is definitely going to be 8 centimeter as well, because opposite sides are the same. Now, if this part of the width is 3 centimeter, it definitely means that this side is also going to be 3 centimeter. So, the perimeter of this shape is going to be 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3. So you see, this is taking us quite a long time to write down all those numbers and begin to add it like we have here. The length is 8 centimeter, the width is 3 centimeter. So perimeter is length plus width plus width. Now when you add up all this, you get the perimeter. Now the formula we are learning today is, instead of going through all this process of saying 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3, you can simply add the length and the width, which is 8 plus 3, which we have here, then multiply your answer by 2. This makes your work much easier. You simply add the length and the width together, get your answer, and then multiply by 2. So the perimeter of this shape is 2 times 11, which is 22. How did we get 11? 8 plus 3. Remember, 8 is the length, 3 is the width. So when you multiply your answer, your addition, by 2, you get 22. So the perimeter of this shape is 22. So what is that formula that makes our work much easier? Here we go. Perimeter is equals to 2 times length plus width. Remember, when you have two brackets, you need to solve the calculation in the bracket first. So when you find the answer in the bracket, then you multiply your answer by 2. So this is a very easy. Okay, this is Tom seated right here. Tom says, I think I know an easier way to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. Is this different from what we have just learned, Tom? Okay, let's read on. I can add the length and the width together and then double my answer. Do you think Tom is right? If you think he is, can you explain why, giving an example? And if you think he is not, can you also explain why, giving an example? Drop your answers in the comment box below. Remember, the formula we just learned is perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. And this is me saying bye everyone. Take care. I hope you learned the lesson of today. Bye.